Hi, hi, Lisa from BlueStreak here. I know that this month we've got a lot of districts participating in contests. If you are not doing a contest yet, now is a great time to start one. I wanted to put this video together both to show you how to set up a contest and if your district is already doing a contest, to show you how to see the results or see the leaders in the contest. So right now we're looking at our dashboard. We're going to go to the contest tab. So over here it looks like a little medal and you see all your contests. So you see we have the nationwide monthly contest, which everyone is entered to win. So you can always click on that and see if your school is in the top 10. And then you'll see upcoming contests. I just created this district contest for my demo school a little bit ago, so it's showing upcoming, but tomorrow it will show in progress. So for those of you that are participating in district contests, you'll see your district contest in your in progress contest. You can go and click on that, and then it's going to show you who's in first place. So it just so happens that my class is in first place, and it'll show you the top contributors. So I have it set to have 3 winners, but I've got a bunch of ties here. So this is my demo school, so it'll look a little different than yours, but just so you can go in and see results. You can go in there. Now, if you want to set up your own contest, you can go to the new contest button, and you could set up your own holiday week contest or winter contest, December contest, anything you'd like. You can have a start date and end date. You can backdate contests. So if you wanted to backdate it to the first or yesterday or whenever you'd like, you can backdate it. I'm going to have my demo contest go through the 5th. That's when a lot of schools are coming back. My winner type is going to be student, and I'm going to include both my classes, 3rd and 4th grade. Make sure you check the grade so that it captures all of your students. And then I'm going to select my classes. I'm going to select both my classes. And how many winners, I'll leave that at 3. And then a special award, I think I will give out a certificate to my winners. So I'm going to put that there and then hit save. And now you'll see my holiday week contest is in my upcoming contest. Again, when it syncs overnight, it'll show in progress. And then again, you'll be able to go in there and see results. So if you have any questions, as always, you can always reach out to BlueStreak. Otherwise, happy holidays and happy contest winning.